All right, guys, so I'm recording this video again. It's not different from what I did yesterday. Okay, yesterday I gave you guys an update. Inside that update, I did mention ROU. In fact, the main reason for that update is to explain what ROU means. But of course, some people are still not clear about the full meaning of ROU and what that stands for. The full meaning of ROU is reward unit. That is what it meant. It's not a rocket science, guys. So I don't know why some people are coming to my DM and asking me what is ROU when I have already explained it. So I'm going to try to repeat what I have said, okay, so that maybe you guys will understand now. But I will use this same information that I got from the official CuBig Telegram channel to give you the explanation of ROU. They explained it already here from my yesterday's update. They said starting today, your account will show a new indicator. And what is the indicator? The indicator is ROU. So if you go back to your back office, you should see where they wrote ROU under your finance reward section. Okay, under your finance reward section, you should see where they wrote ROU. ROU means reward unit. Okay, so do you get that? ROU means reward unit. If you are coming to my DM to ask me what is ROU, pay attention to this video. If possible, watch this video again, pause it, rewind, watch 2-3 times to fully understand the meaning of ROU. ROU is reward unit. Let me repeat it again. ROU is reward unit. What they are trying to say is you are going to be getting paid in ROU going forward. Okay, going forward, the money you are going to be receiving, the reward is going to be in units. Okay, one ROU is equivalent to $9.99, and this is what they are going to be using to pay you for your future ad sharing earnings. That is what they are saying. So if you go back to your back office now, go into your finance section and then look for ROU and then check how many ROU you have, okay, which is reward units. If you have more than one reward unit, okay, you multiply that by $9.99. That will give you the total amount of money you are going to be receiving, or you are going to receive from CuBig. Because by the time you see the total number of ROU, it means you have completed the tasks. So the ROU, which is the reward units that you have earned, is coming from the tasks that you have already completed, not the ones you have not done. Okay, so whatever you are looking at right now, if you go to your back office, okay, whatever you are looking at right now is your actual ROU that you have earned based on the tasks that you have completed. So multiply that by $9.99. That will give you the total amount of money you are going to get eventually. I don't know how they are going to make this payment, but this is what they are telling us. Okay, so remember what I said. ROU is reward units, and for you to get a reward unit, you need to complete your daily tasks. Okay, so you need to be able to click on those ads, and you need to be able to complete your 13 points every single day. Okay, that is one part of the tasks. And then the second part of the task is for you to click on those ads. I have done a video showing you how to complete the ads. It's 36 tasks in a day that you are supposed to do across their 2 websites. Okay, the second way to earn ROU is to invite friends to join and complete tasks. Now remember, don't just invite friends to join CuBig. When you invite them to join CuBig, you need to show them how to complete the tasks. It is when they complete the tasks that is when you will earn ROU, okay, which is reward units. Now remember, you inviting your friends to join CuBig, they are not paying any money to join, and they are not paying any money for anything, because when you join CuBig, it is free to join and it is free to complete all the tasks. But of course, if you want to earn more money, you can upgrade to higher packages. Once you click and register and join CuBig, you are going to be on this free package. Okay, this free package, you are not paying anything. You just need to complete your tasks and earn money. Now, if you want to earn more money, this is the way I explain it to make it easy for everybody. You need to pay and upgrade to basic package, or upgrade to advanced package, or upgrade to professional package. It's entirely up to you what you want to do, but nobody is forcing you to upgrade to either of these three last packages. Once you click the link below this video description today and join CuBig, you are joining on the free membership package, and this free membership package will allow you to earn that passive income up to $40 that I am talking about. Okay, in a month though, not per task, in a month. So now, for you to understand how everything works, let me just recap what ROU means. ROU means reward unit, and you get paid in CuBig using the reward unit starting from yesterday, according to what they told us. Go to your back office, go to your finance section and look for ROU. You will see the total number of ROU you have earned. One ROU is equivalent to $9.99. So if you have 2 ROU, it means you have earned about $20. If you have 3 ROU, it means you have earned about $30. Okay, so that is how it works. Just use $9.99, multiply it by the total number of ROU you have in your back office. That will give you the equivalent in dollars that you have accumulated and earned. Now, when are they going to release the ROU for you to be able to withdraw the ROU? Okay, or the equivalent in dollars. When are they going to release it? I don't know. They've not given us any information regarding that. That is it. Thank you guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially those people that are already in CuBig. Please share this video with your team members so that they will understand that there is a new payment system now in CuBig, and the system is called ROU. It's known as reward unit, and for you to get a reward unit, you need to complete all your daily tasks plus clicking on the ads and watching those videos and reading those articles for 35 seconds. That's it. Thank you. God bless.